Hi ATD San Diego, I'm Bridget, here with your November update. Can you believe we've entered into the 2021 holiday season? It's surprising how fast this year has gone by. I know many of us are still working from home as our employers navigate this global pandemic, and I hope that you're staying well. For those of you who are listening who are ATD San Diego members, thank you for your membership. We really appreciate what you bring to our community to make us who we are as a chapter. What's going on this month? Well, just like last month when we held our in-person mixer at Queenstown Bistro in the University Town Center Mall, we're going to be hosting it again there this month. The week before Thanksgiving, we'll have our mixer as well as our ongoing storyline workshop with John Morley. The week prior, we'll have our chapter meeting. And of course, the first Wednesday of every month, we have our Lunch and Learn called Discover the Benefits of Membership. How are you doing in your professional development? Are you looking for ways to upskill? Well, if you are, we have plenty of opportunities for you to grow your skills with our San Diego ATD chapter. Currently, we have need for help with our finances. And if you're looking for opportunities to help evaluate profit and loss and finances month over month, we need that support. As a nonprofit business, we need to keep our financials in order, and we would love to have your help in that area. Another area of need for our chapter is our website. If you have skills on how to update websites and run the back end of things technology-wise, or if you're looking to learn those skills, please reach out and fill out our Google form online so we can partner you with the right project. We have plenty of ways for you to continue growing in your professional development and would love to partner with you to do that. I've really enjoyed seeing you at our in-person events as well as our online events, and I would love to have you participate in our events this month as well. If there's ever anything that we can do to help you in your professional development, please reach out to me or any of our other board directors on LinkedIn. I hope that you're staying healthy and well, and I look forward to seeing you soon. If you enjoy these videos, please give this a like and subscribe. Thanks for your membership.